Alright guys, welcome to this channel. Alright, in today's video we'll be looking through the process of the Gala the Catizen airdrop. Alright, so I just clicked the airdrop box on the dashboard of the Catizen platform. So it took me to this place where it calculated analyzed the points I got and what will be given to me, what will be allocated to me. So I'm now to click on the get my airdrop now. So click to open. So alright, so I was given 10 Catly. Alright, I was given 10 Catly. So it says stake to earn up to 880 APY. So deposit to exchange available in this time. It said I should claim to get 800 APY and or I should deposit to exchange that will be available in the next 17 hours. Okay, so I think I will be staking. I'll be staking instead. So where am I going to stake now? If I use Messi, I think I have Messi. So make sure you have a KYC verified account on Messi Exchange, otherwise you won't be able to claim your staking reward. Okay. C'est stick. C'est stick.
Merci beaucoup.
So I'm going to stick now.
شكرا. مرحبا.
Merci. So your stick Catizem. I'm going to put use marks. I want to stick all.
Merci beaucoup. مرحبا.
I want to stick all. Sorry, I want to stick
شكرا.
It's just think that I don't know how much it's going to be worth it. See, the staked Catly will be locked until September 24. Alright, around this time. Okay, and it said you can only claim your reward between this time on September and 24th of September. On 24th of September to 27th of September, which is within 2 days. I'm to claim my reward within 2 days. Alright, within the space of 2 days, I should claim it by September 24 or September 27. Then you must have a KYC verified account on Messi Exchange, otherwise you won't be able to claim. So I confirm everything here. So if I don't, I must be available by 24th, 25, 26 and 27 of September before I can withdraw. So stake successful. So it said 733% of 10. Let's see how many Catly that will be. Okay, so if you come to our calculator, you see that 10.33 plus 20%. That's 84 Catly. by around 27th, I'll be having 84 Catly. Alright, and if Catly is what 0.2 times 84, that's 16 USD. Alright, 16 USD. When you come to Bybit, on Bybit you see that the Catly, alright, so that's the worth of Catly. This is the worth of Catly presently on Bybit. Okay, I don't know, this is the amount. It's going to still, it will still remain by the end. We will be claiming the airdrop. I don't know, or if it will push up, I don't know. If it will go down, I don't know. But for now, this is the worth of Catly against USDT. So if we are to use 0.07 to do our calculation, so 0.7 times 84, that's 58 USD. That's pretty good. Alright, so that is it, guys. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload a new video. Alright, see you in next video, guys. Bye.